Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a 2019 Harris Grand Mariner 250, and this one comes totally loaded. Even has the saltwater edition. Gives you additional protection on the pontoons as well as anodes throughout the boat, making it hold up a lot better to corrosion and saltwater conditions like we have around here. Let's hop up inside and take a look at all the awesome seating. So here we are on board, and as you can see, Harris hasn't left any areas unused. Our rear patio here has got a swim platform on one side, a ladder on the other side, a ski arch on the back for towing tubes, seating on the starboard side as well, big loungers with wraparound cushions and armrests that come down at every point. This one is a dual helm seat version, meaning you've got two captain's chairs, one at the helm and then one for your first mate here. That door pops up to become a changing room. You can also store a porta potty in it, which this one does have that option. Additional upgrades include the SIMRAD chart plotter and bottom finder, as well as Fusion waterproof radio, and lots of additional toggles you can see to control all of your LED lighting, overhead lighting, because this thing comes loaded with the hard top tower as well. You've got LED lights in there, dual Bimini attached to it, and zipper access so that you can hook a line up for wakeboarding or such. Anything you could possibly need in a pontoon, you have right here. Even has the cool touch vinyl, so when you're out in that hot sun, your vinyl is going to stay 15 to 20 degrees cooler than the competitor, and a waterproof non-skid flooring that also is going to stay nice and cool. If you guys have any questions, give me a call, text, or email anytime. If you guys want to take it for a run, see how this thing performs on the open bay, I'm here, happy to help.